gonna do another video to update you on the garden, but I think another storm is gonna roll through. Oh, and the wind. Okay. This isn't a ideal situation for this. But anyway, too bright, you can't see. The sky is blue, but the clouds are gray. And I'm under the carport, so you can hear it on the ceiling. The roof. Whatever. Woo! Here it comes. Gotta make it back in the house. Anyway, Doug and I are out here. You can see Doug. Say hi, Doug. Doug! Yeah. He's comfy. Alright, everybody. This is very short and very noisy. I do like the rain, though. Alright. Hope you guys are dry wherever you are, because I'm not. Love you. Bye.